Today we are going to make rigatoni al forno. That's rigatoni in a meat sauce topped with cheese and baked until bubbly and delicious. It's one of those pasta bakes that the whole family is going to love, and I think you will too. Hey everyone, I'm Adam from therealrecipes.com, and I'm a professional recipe developer, and I'm also the primary cook for my family. I share recipes based on my experience working for food magazines in the hopes that you too can cook healthy and delicious meals for your family too. Let's get started. To start, we're going to chop an onion and mince garlic. Preheat your oven to 350 and spray a 9x13" baking dish with cooking spray. Heat oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until translucent. Add garlic and sprinkle with salt. Now add 1 pound of ground beef. You can also use ground pork, Italian sausage, a meat alternative if you want to make it vegetarian, or you can even leave out the meat altogether and use veggies like mushrooms and peppers if you prefer. Be sure to stir frequently to break up these big chunks of beef. If your beef had a lot of fat, you may want to scoop off some of this extra grease. Tilt your pan, spoon it out into a bowl. This is an optional step for sure. Once browned, add some Italian seasoning and a couple cans of crushed tomatoes. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the liquid evaporates just slightly. While the sauce cooks, we're going to get that pasta nice and al dente. We're going to stir together some ricotta along with Parmesan and mozzarella and some herbs and lemon zest that'll give our pasta bake a really wonderful creamy element. To assemble, add half the pasta along with half the sauce to the baking dish. Stir to combine. Add spoonfuls of ricotta, then the rest to the pasta and sauce. Sprinkle over with mozzarella cheese and bake until bubbly, about 25 to 30 minutes. You know, it's recipes like this that bring me right back to my childhood. Eating dinner with my family at my Italian grandmother's house. I don't think she ever made a recipe exactly like this, but it's that savory meat sauce and creamy ricotta, melty cheese. It's a happy memory. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you made it this far, I want to say a special thank you and remind you that cooking a meal for someone is one of the best ways to show them how much you care. And the same goes for you too. Cook yourself something delicious and real. You deserve it. See you next time.